Okay, I'm trying to adjust this to, okay. This is the Bird Lady process video, and when I did the last one, I was going to do her, so I thought I'd do a process video on her too. I found this page in the catalog, or the Life magazine thing I have, and I thought it would go good, and so I'm going to use it. Let's see. Okay. Bird Lady. Here's, let me get this glued over here. See, I picked this picture because she's looking at her. So I was just looking for a background with somebody looking in that direction, and so this car advertisement fit the bill. So then in the same book they had a big article on this some kind of bird show. So they actually had this written down in the headline for the show, which I thought was like, wow, what's the odds of that, huh? So, and then, I know there's a glare here and there's nothing I can do about it, so I'm sorry. If I shut off this light, hopefully, let me see. You're still getting the glare from the overhead light, so I don't know which is. Oh, yeah, it's still. Isn't it naked? I don't know what up there. See, you can see. Better if I just keep it up like this. I'll put a piece of tape there. And then I got this saying, which is like, to me, it's like the best saying. Well, not the best, but it says. I mean, you guys have all said it. I just go on Pinterest. What does it say? And look for sayings that I think will fit the page. I haven't done it with the lady I just did, but... So I just I typed it out, and then I just used red marker to highlight, you know, like around the edges. So, and it says, don't let anyone with bad eyebrows tell you anything about life. Ha! That's funny. So, anyway. You got it there. So this is my process of this. See how quick that was? I mean, it's not the time-consuming part of doing these. It's just finding images you want, you know. Look, there's a guy right here. Finding images that you want to use, and finding, you know, sayings you want to use. And this was just a fluke that I got that. So, you know, I just think it's neat that, you know, it just came up neat to me. Anyway, so... This is the process video for the Bird Lady, so talk to you later. I gotta cut this off somehow. I don't know how.